Okay, here comes some really cool leftovers. I've got some Big Poppa pulled pork. This was seasoned with Sweet Money Hot and Stash, competition Stash. It's a great all-around rub for chicken, pork, beef. The salt's a little smaller. It's great, but what I like to hit it with also is Sweet Money Hot. Sweet Money Hot, with all the sweet sauces and sweet everything, I felt like I needed some heat to cut through there. So what we're going to do, we've got egg wash, which I'll show you how to do that. Got a knife and a fork. We have some pulled pork. And here's where you're going to go, Papa, you've lost your mind. I haven't lost my mind. We're going to put some cream cheese in with the pulled pork. So this is going to give it a layer of texture that's creamy and delicious to go with the sweet and hot. So you see what we have there. Again, I'm going to pull them just slightly apart. We're going to figure out what the long way is. We're going to take this pork, put it right there. We're going to fold it over like a pork turnover. Now we're going to take the edges and put my fork there. Kind of like a turnover. Think of this like a pulled pork turnover. Because you guys got to wonder why I do this. I do it because I love it. I love creating. I love teaching. And as you can tell from my physique, I like eating too. So, and there we have it. Okay, we're going to do a like egg wash. I've whipped up one egg. You're going to take this brush. I'm using the egg wash because it makes it really neat. Puffs up good. I've just got a nice texture. But I'm also using it as glue for the finishing rub I'm putting on the top. Finishing is going to be a little hot, Sweet Money Hot. And then on top of it, a little Stash. All right, we're ready for this. They're about 20 minutes. We got it at 350. Just in time. Okay, very pleased with these. Look at beautiful crunchy on the backside. So we're gonna do a little trick. Cut the very tip off this baggie. It's got some Granny's barbecue sauce. There we go. Yep. Oh yeah, Big Poppa, Big Poppa Stash and Sweet Money Heat, pulled pork turnovers. They're just outstanding. I'm so pleased. Try them. They're really fun.